Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepti Thakkar, General and Laparoscopic Surgeon. I have specialized in piles and laser surgery for piles. So what are piles? Basically, at the end of our rectum we have certain blood vessels. These blood vessels, in people who have repeated hard stool or constipation, they start bulging or swelling, and slowly they develop or form into piles. So piles are nothing but swollen blood vessels, and as you can imagine, if the blood vessel is swollen, if you irritate it in some way, either it would bleed or it would give you pain. Most patients of piles come to me with problems such as swelling, pain, bleeding when they pass motion, or sometimes a sudden increase in pain where there is something called as thrombosis of the piles, which means in those blood vessels small blood clots form, and that suddenly increases the person's pain. Now, what are the causes of piles? The most important cause is constipation, which means passing of hard stool repeatedly. The second reason that I am seeing is, so people who are working in IT companies, who sit continuously for long hours, students who sit and study continuously for hours at a stretch, should avoid sitting continuously. They should take breaks in between, get up and walk, so that the circulation keeps happening. Another reason is low fiber diet. People who are more interested in having non-veg, burgers, pizzas, these people tend to develop piles. Piles are also known as hemorrhoids, so they are both the same thing. Now, what are the treatments available? All piles do not need surgery. If you have early stage piles which are troubling you, you can go for medical treatment. This includes, first of all, a correction of your lifestyle. As I said before, not to sit continuously for a long time, having lot of water intake, minimum 2 to 3 liters per day depending on the season. Third thing, having a high fiber diet which includes a lot of fruits and vegetables. And there are certain ointments which I can give, certain medications which we can take to reduce the symptoms, and people can manage just with these medical treatments. However, piles will not shrink. So once you have developed piles, if they are in grade 1 or grade 2 stage, they will not go back or shrink again. They will remain as is, and they will not bother you if you are taking care of your lifestyle. Once the piles start going beyond that, grade 3, grade 4, and they are repeatedly giving symptoms even after taking care of the lifestyle changes, then we have solutions where we have different types of surgical treatments. Previously, open surgery was most common, but nowadays we have laser surgery for piles, which is an excellent way of doing surgery in an almost painless manner. So in laser surgery, what we do is we just use laser energy to burn these piles or to block those blood vessels which are swollen. This will get rid of the piles in a painless manner. Pain is almost negligible, and you can get back to work within a couple of days. So if you have piles, don't be scared. Don't try to do all sorts of home remedies and not visit a doctor. We are here available at FemCity Hospital, which is a women's hospital, and there are a lot of surgeons if you want to see a male doctor. Laser is available almost everywhere nowadays, so you can go to your doctor, get yourself diagnosed, and take the treatment according to the grade of piles that you have and the severity of your problem. Thank you.